All right, you're welcome again to this episode of text effect creation with Pixellab. So today we're going to create this particular text effect. So amazing. And how we're going to use that, how we're going to use Pixellab to achieve that rather. And then we are going to save that as a reusable component, whereby if you're going to design any other thing any other time, you can use this same method to do that. So first of all, put in our background. So I'm going to use this ash background. All right, hit enter, and then the next I'm going to do is I'm going to write my text. So the text I'm going to write, let's just use kind of like let's use design. Hit okay, I'm going to enlarge this. The next one, go to what's it called? This is text editing tool. Then I'm going to change the font to check my font. And then I'm going to pick this particular font. Heading now trial. Hit okay. Now this font, just enlarge this. I think for my design space, go to background editing to image size. We have 1080 by 1080. So we're going to change this to, let's say, 4000. So that we have 4000. Yep. So we'll have a longer space here. All right. Awesome. Okay. Now this is what we're going to, there is no design size you can set here in Pixellab. All right, so all these people complaining about printing blurry, coming out blurry images when trying to, is because you have not set your design size correctly. I have a video already that shows different sizes for different design purposes. So if you want to do large printing feeds, there's a way you can calculate that, and design it perfectly is going to come out well, provided you use high quality design resources. Everything is going to come out very well. All right, so that aside, let's go on with our stuff. You can see that this is cut off, so I'm going to, on the text editing tool, I'm going to go to padding, and then for the X padding, I'm going to hit plus plus plus, just increase it to 4, Y to 4 as well. Okay, Y has to be more than 4, 8 or 7 or 9. Okay, now we have this. So I'll click it on the text editing tool. I'm going to go to color, go to gradient. I'll pick this gradient. So if you don't know how to set it, just click the plus sign and then pick this, the lighter color for this first one. Click the first one first, pick the lighter color. Click the second one, it's going to be by the side here. Then pick the darker color, then shift it in, then hit OK. Now if you click it, how do you pick the color? This is the color icon right here. So you click it and click the color icon right here. And then do the same for this one. Click this side. All right, click the color icon and then push it up a little bit, just like the way I've done it. I think I've done that several of my tutorials. Hit OK and just check it. So after you've checked it, you are going to duplicate it. Okay, that's what you have to take note. Duplicate it as it is. Duplicate it. Then keep this aside. First, we are going to work with this. Okay, just keep this by the side here. Then we're going to work with this. So what we're going to do to this, we are going to add shadow effects. And for the shadow effect, for Pixellab, sometimes it come out really sharp. Okay, if you glow it, you can see outer glow, it isn't really perfect. So I'm going to just increase this and then increase the Y as well. So once I'm done with this, what I'm going to do, I'll just reduce the opacity. Okay, it's going to be a little bit visible. Can you see? For the blur, you can just increase the blur. Okay, and you can see it's visible. So I'm going to hit OK. So the next thing I'll do, I'll bring this one here on top of it, scroll up, and the color, pick the color, click the plus sign, reduce the transparency. Okay, click the plus sign, reduce the transparency from where it is to 0 to the lower side here. It's okay. Now it's still there, but there's no color there. It's transparent. It's okay. Then scroll down to stroke and then enable the stroke. Make the width 2. Hit the stroke again. We're going to change the color to white. Hit OK. Now that the color is changed to white, before placing it where I'm going to place it, I'll click this one, this first one here. Turn on the inner shadow. Okay. Take the blur to 0. For the Y, take it to, for the X, take it to 4. For the Y, take it to, I think 5. 5 should be okay. Then color, take it to it. You can click the plus sign and then make the color a little bit deeper. Adjust the color. I believe you've been watching my video, you understand what I'm doing here. Hit OK. And then bring this and position it to the side like this. Okay. All right, so you can see what we have here. Click the layer. You can reduce this inner shadow. We can make it inner shadow of this one. We can make it 4 4 instead of 5 5 or 3 3. Okay, 3 3. 3 3 instead of 5 5. Let's see how it's going to be. Control X, Control X. Yep, I think we're going to leave it like this. So now if you check this, you can see what you have right here. Okay, there are several stuff you can add to it. So now let's save this as a reusable file. So I'm going to hit this first one, click style on the text editing tool, click save. So it's going to hit OK. You have saved it. Click the second one, click style, click save, hit OK. Now, if you delete all this, delete this, delete this. So let's write Chris graphics. Okay. Chris graphics. Hit done, hit OK. Now we have this. Even without changing the font, or even if you change the font, you can apply that style to it. So let's change this font to something related to this one. I think for the padding, we need to take the padding off for the both sides. Plus this, plus. Okay. Now I have Chris graphics. Okay. So click the text editing tool, go to style, go to browse, not save, go to browse. This time not save. Then you see a lot of samples here. This is not what I want. This default. These are what Pixellab has prepared for you. If you like them, well, they are not professional enough. That's just the truth. Click my style, and then I'm going to click this style. There are different styles for the previous ones we have created. I'll click this style. Can you see? Copy it, and then I'll click my style again, browse, go to my style and pick the outline. So I'll position it well enough here, and then boom. Can you see what you have? So this is the effect we've created. It seems the one on top is giving that a kind of like shadow effect to this particular one. We're going to create something else like this, but we are going to come in a different dimension. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share. Don't ever forget to turn on the notification bell. It's very important, so that anytime a new video drops, you're going to get notified, and everything is going to be for free. All right, so bye for now. See you in the next one. We're going to build on this and create something yet more stunning. Bye for now.